Age me another 3 years. Good. Hey guys, I want to talk about condensing boilers. All right, I'm getting a lot of phone calls from customers who've had a condensing boiler in the home. Maybe it was installed 5-6 years ago. Some of them were already replacing. All right, a lot of the customers were not informed from their installer, whoever it may be, that these condensing boilers, whether it be hanging on the wall or a floor model condensing boiler, need maintenance. All right, it's very important. These are actually the things that the manufacturers would try to sell us, years ago when condensing boilers first came out, how much money we're going to make on the maintenance, blah, blah, blah. So, completely transparent, full honesty, when I come to your home and you want a condensing boiler, depending on the house, if it's not radiant or, you got air handlers, I don't always inform everybody that's the best application. All right, so maybe sometimes I talk to you and say you're better off going with a standard model, maybe save a little bit of money. Sometimes maybe it's a little bit more depending on the size of the house, but I will give you my honest opinion. A lot of customers are messaging me on Facebook informing me of the problems that they're having, and I could basically help a lot of you guys just going back and forth on Messenger. A lot of the consumers are actually sending me pictures of the jobs that they have installed, and I could tell right away if you're having problems, why you're having the problems. A lot of it goes into how it was installed. A lot of these products that we're coming across were not installed right. Maybe a licensed insured company, didn't do the job. Maybe your friend did it. Hurricane Sandy was 5-6 years ago, I believe now, and a lot of the condensing boilers went in then. So feel free to message me, send me pictures. I can help you. We have a lot of companies that are reps for these products. A dozen different condensing boiler companies that I can reach out to and help you if you're having a problem. So give me a call or shoot me a message. My phone number is 631-422-0294.